It's Jesse here, and welcome to a old episode of Let's Watch Sonic Boom. Sonic Boom. Okay, so this is the episode 52 of season 1. I forgot to mention this is also one of the episodes I lost when I tried to get the original file, but I actually I did lost the original file, but this is the episode where it had so much spoiler alert. So so I was looking forward to this episode because it was something like a special guest in it, but unfortunately you guys pretty much spoiled the whole lot. Yeah. You guys pretty much spoiled the whole lot. So let's watch this episode, shall we? Okay, let's just put this behind us and let's just watch the episode. Shall we? Takes a village to defeat a hedgehog, sorry.
Dr. Eggman, why did you call us
All
here?
the villains.
All will be revealed in due time, my friends. We're still waiting on one more arrival.
But I have a noon shift at my burger. If I'm late, I'll never get that raise to minimum wage.
They all want to leave.
We'll get started. In this room, I've gathered a rogues gallery of the most vile, nefarious, repugnant evildoers.
Repugnant? Is that a word?
It didn't need to be until we had this much evil inside one room. Anyway, we're here because we all have something in common.
A love of fine cheeses?
Well, yes, but besides that, we all share a mutual enemy, Sonic the Hedgehog and his rodent friends. We must stop them before they destroy us all.
Thanks for helping me put together my Bjorn Alden bookcase. I got it from that foreign build-your-own furniture store.
IKEA?
Oh, you'd be surprised how much they can fit in one little box.
Yeah, IKEA. Whoa! Yep. Bits and pieces.
These are some fine cheeses. But where are the crackers?
The crackers.
I wanted everything to be perfect. Keep calm, everyone. I'll send Orbot out to the store. Whew, crisis averted.
So this is why you called me here.
Oh, man. So, if you guys didn't actually spoil this upcoming episode, about Shadow coming in this episode, we would be squealing because of him. Yeah, we would be squealing because he's like a badass character. He just ropes his tray.
Shadow the Hedgehog! Hey, everybody, look! Shadow's here! I knew springing for those embossed invitations would impress.
Who's he?
He's only the second most popular character in the whole canon.
Yes! He broke the fourth wall! Yes, the second most popular character in all of Sonic canon. Yes! Thank you! That was a good one.
Let me get you a chair, Mr. Shadow.
No. Get one.
I prefer to stand.
Okay.
Of course. You rogue, you. I like standing too. Everyone on your feet.
Oh, you're not just stand because of the new
Wait,
guy.
I'll just start at the beginning.
Oh my
There
gosh.
are no words, just pictures.
Just like the novel I'm writing.
Really?
The plot's there, but the characters are all over the place.
And
Isn't
so,
it the other way
with
around?
my superior
It's just like
leadership
IKEA.
And your blind loyalty, we'll finally be rid of those meddling muskrats.
No. He looks at Shadow.
Hey, how come you're calling the shots? I'm the best villain here. I spend more time on the pin than all of you combined.
All that proves is that you're the best at getting caught.
What we need is an
Okay.
educated fellow, an organized leader who knows how to keep hotheads like you under control and can maintain parliamentary procedure.
Objection! Anyone can learn parliamentary procedure.
Point of order. Objection is courtroom terminology, not parliamentary.
Yeah.
Sustained!
As anyone with even a cursory knowledge of the sci-fi classic Battle Force Galaxia knows, our leader should be a young, inexperienced teenager who's destined for glory. Lest you want to repeat Admiral Glork's mistakes.
You're losing
gosh.
focus. Remember, I'm the one who called this meeting.
And great job, by the way. Who picked out this stemware? It's barely worth stealing.
He just steals it anyway. Everyone's arguing. Everyone's arguing.
Come on, Eggman, get it together. And I know what this group needs. Time for some team building exercises. Fall backward into your buddy's arms and allow them to catch you.
What?
This is called a trust fall.
Are we being villains or being friends?
No.
Yeah, Shadow does not catch him.
Should have given you a heads up. That was on me.
Oh,
You
Shadow
never
is
know
not
what's
liking
going to
this.
happen on the battlefield, which is why it's important to think on your feet. This is a little game I used to play with my old improv troupe, the Giggle Snorts.
The
It's
Giggle
called
Snorts.
Zip, zap, zop. We pass around an imaginary ball, saying zip, zap, or zop as we go. I'll start. Zip, zap.
Yeah, no, it's not working.
That's to you, Shadow. You want to zap that one over to Dave? Maybe zap that bad boy back to me? No? You passed it. We'll count that. Great job, Shadow.
Silence, fool.
Oh boy.
I've suffered your presence long enough.
No, don't go. We're not done bonding yet. We were gonna roast wieners and play flashlight tag. We're making history here. A collection of villains like this has never been assembled before.
I see no villains, just some fools whose only ability is wasting time.
That's something, isn't it?
No, not really.
Woo! Okay. It does not have a chaos emerald. Like, but that's not really a chaos control, like teleportation, but he does not have a chaos emerald. Damn it.
How do you tell the difference between side A and side C? Side A should have one more L bracket. You mean T bracket, right?
Oh boy.
Tails, so help me. If you've been confusing L brackets and T brackets this whole time,
Who used all the D screws? All I have left are J knobs, which are worthless. And has anyone seen back panel G?
I think I found it.
Oh no!
Wait, now we have to go back to the store and exchange the whole thing. Come on, let's pack it up.
Yeah, that's gonna be tricky.
No fair. Sonic always beats me. With Shadow on our squad, we had a real chance. He's so cool and edgy.
If standing in the corner while everybody else has fun makes you cool, then I must have been the coolest guy at my junior prom.
And we all know that's not true. So I say nuts to Shadow. He's not a team player like the rest of us.
With Dr. Eggman's superior leadership skills and our blind loyalty, we can do whatever we set our evil minds to.
Okay.
Oh, was that a callback to my earlier speech? You guys. All right, team, gather round. Here's the plan.
We've got a brand new Bjornsson Sklargen. Let's just build it right here.
Then when we mess up, we can get yet another one. Great
Okay.
idea, Sonic.
That's why I'm the leader. Now let's dominate this cheap piece of furniture to the best of our limited ability.
Okay. Okay, Eggman teaching. Oh, whoa, bookshelf. Yeah, Eggman teaching these fellow villains to how to be a bad guy. Gangsters making a bookshelf and s'mores. What melted marshmallows. Okay. Okay.
Well, we're out of parts and instructions. I think we're done.
No, it's not.
Great work, team.
Uh-oh. Oh
Did
boy.
somebody call for a dramatic entrance?
Yep.
Tails, get us an aerial survey. We'll take them out from down here.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh boy.
Boogie on my tail. Gonna try and shake him.
Okay.
He stole my purse. My baby pictures.
My baby bitches. Very nice. Oh, it's divine and conquer. Oh, Dave with a gun. Yeah. This could actually work back. Oh. Oh, Charlie with the
Knuckles, that one's all you.
wait, that's not Charlie, that's T.W. Baka.
Stretched a bit thin, you periwinkle pipsqueak.
I can take you one-on-one any day, Egghead.
Who said anything about one-on-one?
Oh, there's Charlie.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh man, divide and conquer. Oh! Oh, there's the hamburger. Oh! Knuckles, no! No! Oh!
It's working. The plan's actually working.
Okay.
Over here, you oversized can opener.
Oh, Charlie.
Call off your goons or I'll smash you into next week.
I'm busy next week. I mean, I could reschedule, but I...
Oh! Shadow! Oh boy.
Even with all this help, you still couldn't defeat Sonic.
Oh, here we go! Woo! Here we go!
It's happening. Shadow has joined Team Eggman. I'm geeking out here.
Now you know how we feel like, man. We're geeking out here.
Need any help, Shadow? Okay, you got this one.
No, he does not.
Allow me to... okay, you just tag me in when you're ready.
Out of the way, you buffoon.
Oh! Whoo! Very nice, Sonic. Whoa! Oh! Seismic toss?
Excuse me, I'm with Shadow.
Oh! Oh!
Hey, we worked all day on that.
Your shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind.
Ooh.
And for that, you shall perish.
What? Oh! Woo! Ooh! Hit the cradle, will
We
you?
did it!
Woo!
Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman. Victory selfie!
Victory selfie! Wow, that was actually a good punch, and then it kicked out. It's like I fell down. Yeah. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. We're nearly done here. Oh, blinded by the flash. Oh, right back at ya. Oh. Ooh. Ow. Ooh. Ow. Hey. Awesome. Woo.
You fool!
Very nice.
Just where I wanted him.
Sorry, that one's on me, Shadow. I forgot to turn off the flash. Pink looks great, though, if it's any consolation.
Enough! How's a guy supposed to destroy his foes with dolts like you wandering around? We'll fight again soon, Sonic, but next time on my terms.
Whoa. Hey, we're good.
Good job, everybody.
We may not be able to build a bookcase, but we sure as heck can clobber some creeps. Speaking of which...
Now, guys, let's not point fingers about who's to blame for this little scuffle.
Really? Yep. Volleyball time.
Ow! Hey!
What a swell adventure!
Orbot and
Sure hope
Cubot.
there's more next year.
Just think of all the hundreds more
season 2.
stories to be told using the same 8 characters and 4 locations. The possibilities are limitless.
Just to be on the safe side, maybe we should start an internet petition.
Yes, if you guys have an episode we can do, just feel free to post it. Yeah. So yeah, that was actually for season 1, episode 52. That was pretty much it for the final episode of season 1. So of Sonic Boom. Yeah. So I did mention that I did lost the original files. Forgive me, and managed to do another one. So yeah. Anyway, tell me what you guys think of this episode so far. Feel free to post a comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Daily Motion. Look me up on Twitter and Facebook. That's where I am most of the time. Also my fanfiction and my Deviant account. The links are down below in the description. So anyway, this is Jessie from Jessie Order Productions, and I am signing off. You guys take care of yourselves, okay? Bye!